Whether you're hanging a large picture or a TV, homeowners regularly need to be able to locate a stud in the wall. In this video, we cover a few different methods to help you do this. To cover all of these methods, we've gathered the following tools: a battery-operated stud finder and a flashlight. The surest way to find a stud in a wall is with a stud finder. Most stud finders have lights as well as sounds that cue when it is over a stud. First, hold it flat against the wall and press and hold the calibration button. Wait until the lights are green and there is no beeping. Slowly slide it along the wall. When it starts to beep, that's the beginning of a stud. And when the beeping stops, you've crossed over the stud. Do this a couple of times to confirm it is consistent. Mark the center of the beeps and lights to mark the location of the stud. Generally, a stud should be installed every 16 or 24 inches. If you don't have a stud finder, take your flashlight and hold it close to the wall. See if you can find where the light changes. You may notice a difference in wall texture as well. These would be the drywall seams, and drywall should be screwed into a stud. To confirm this, go to your baseboards. There should be nail holes or spots that look like they may have been filled with wood filler in the same line. Another observation can be made by knocking on the wall. The sound will have a hollow tone where there is not a stud. As you knock over a stud, the sound will become more dense.